Where does the name for Pentraeth come from? So today I'm on the north coast of Ynys Môn or Anglesey in a small village called Pentraeth. Let's get into the name. Pentraeth is situated at the top of the narrow valley that the Afon Nodwydd flows through. Its name is made of pen, originally a head, but figuratively the top of something, and traeth, which means beach, shore, or sometimes an estuary, from the Proto-Celtic word trachtus. So which beach is it referring to? Well, that's this one behind me here, Traeth Coch, or Red Dwarf Bay. In the Middle Ages, the village was named Llanfair Betus Geraint. Llanfair, the Llan of St Mary, Betus, a prayer house, from the Old English word bedhus, literally a bead house, and Geraint, a saint's name, though who he was I can't say for sure. I think he may have been Geraint ap Tegwared, a patriarch of a local clan in the area from the 1200s, but that's conjecture. Another theory is that he's an early saint, Saint Geraint, but I couldn't find anything on him. In 1859, Charles Dickens stayed in the village on his trip as a journalist for the Times to visit the wreck of the Royal Charter in Moelfre. Between 1908 and 1950, it was served by Pentraeth railway station on the Red Dwarf Bay branch line. The church which gave the town its medieval name is St Mary's Church. It's not known exactly when the earliest church here was built, but it's thought that it was at some point in the Middle Ages. In 1254 there are records of a church to Mary here, but traditions say that an earlier one in the same location was dedicated to Saint Geraint, who I mentioned earlier. Some of the medieval stonework remains on the outside of the church, but a chapel was added onto its south side in the 15 or 1600s. The church was substantially altered in the 19th century as well, like so many churches in Wales. So the name literally means the top of the beach. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.